2 Crabby Creature sales in 5 minutes. We're trying to pay for the gallery by hiring out wall space. It's not something we wanted to do, but it's the best way to guarantee the income coming in, to pay the rent, to make sure we stay. So I've just emailed over 50 artists for the second time, and so far I've had absolutely no response. But that is a whole heap of effort for no win so far. But I'll keep you updated and we'll see what happens. Having now worked out what space is available for the rest of the year, I'm wondering if we take a bit of a risk and a gamble and keep one of the exhibition slots for me. It'll be good for visibility for me. It'll be good to get the fine art brand out there and going. But I've got to risk not having that income from hiring the place out. 2 things. I think for YouTube and social media, we need to get a bit more exciting. Just painting on paper and printing things to sell gets a bit tedious. And the other one is I've completely destroyed a bin and a fridge in the studio. So maybe they should just turn into Crabby Creatures. Right, there's not a lot of room in this kitchen, so I don't know where to put the camera. So you're just gonna have to be really close. One bin. A dirty wall. Oh, the bin is full, and I didn't know that. And I don't know how long that's been like that. Who spray paints to the kitchen? So things are a little worse than I thought back here. So I brought the big guns out. So I've got the steamer out, I think it's working. Some idiot spray painted the wall and the floor, so we're going to sort that out quickly. So then this area is nice and clean. Then we're going to clean up the bin and the fridge a little bit and turn them into Crabby Creature artwork. Right, it's a bit cleaner. Look at my shiny white tiles. So I think we're going to tackle the fridge. Find somewhere for this crazy camera to go. Lie to you, but I've got next to no paint left because I've been using it all up creating artworks to hopefully selling and make more money. But so I've got no white acrylic paint left, but I've found some sort of creamy off-white wall paint. So we'll give that a go and see what happens. Okay, so I've put that on a little bit slapdash because we'll do the black Posca pen again at the end. Now we just need a colour for the hair. So you'd assume some sort of brownie colour, but it'll depend on what paint I've got left. So no brown, but I did find beetroot relish, which is a really nice deep reddy colour. Which I think might make a nice hair. Okay, so it works. He actually looks pretty sick, that colour. He's going to need a second coat, so we'll wait for it to dry and then we'll come back and do another coat. Right, coat 2 of my beetroot relish coloured hair. There is a weird smell down here. Weird. Okay, back at it. Just looking at the fridge, and I'm really happy with that. I just want to put a couple of highlights just to finish it off. Hello. So, just going to go back around with the black lines, and then the fridge is done. So a slight change of plan for today is I've got a few friends coming and potentially a couple of collectors coming into the gallery tomorrow. I have some space on the walls, so why isn't my stuff on there, you may ask. I don't know. So I've just been trying to find some pieces that are finished to make a little setup on this back wall. Basically, I'm just trying to be a bit more mindful than normal. This is the wall I've put together with the finished ovalism pieces. But what's cool about having my stuff there in the gallery is that you then walk straight into my studio where people can see pieces I'm working on everywhere. Right, let's just have a quick pause in the fun. So I may have mentioned that I've been outreaching to artists to fill walls and get some exhibitions booked in and stuff, and by getting that all booked for the rest of the year, it would at least cover the rent on the gallery. So good news is I've now got 2 warm leads, hopefully going to lead to some wall hire and an exhibition. So we'll get all that planned in. Hopefully one of them's showing up today, finalise some details and pay some money. It feels on that front like we're starting to move forward. So keep fingers crossed, and back to painting a bin. Just remembered what the other thing was, and it's just got out my bloody head again. What is going on today? Crabby creatures, crabby creatures, crabby creatures, crabby creatures, crabby creatures, crabby creatures. It's gone. He's gone. I didn't have cleaning a bin, a fridge, and a kitchen wall on my list of things to do today. But that's what has happened. Just been cleaning this here bin whilst the first coat of the fridge dries. So stay tuned. We'll see what happens to the bin. Crabby bin man. So now we have a clean bin full of potential. I did laugh when I first walked in this morning and saw the bin with the eyes on. However, it kind of to me looks like it should be some sort of green reptile, and a bit like the fridge, there's random spray on it, but the rest of it's really boring. So I'm going to take it outside, and whatever spray paint I've got left, hoping some green, we're going to spray paint the bin. Right, the bin is looking very green. It's like an luminous green colour. And now I'm going to go back in with the Poscas and finish it off. So stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed the fridge and bin painting. I know that painting a bin in a fridge is not going to save the gallery, but I truly believe the Crabby Creatures are going to save me, they're going to save the gallery, they're going to save all of us. And the only way to get them out is via social media, YouTube, and doing some bigger, more challenging, fun things. So painting the bin, painting the fridge is just the start. We're looking at walls. Who knows? It's gonna go crazy, hopefully. So stay tuned. There is more news coming about the gallery. We're gonna save things. We're gonna turn it around, even though it's quiet in the middle of the summer. The Crabby Creatures are gonna save us all. Hail to the Crabby Bin Monster. And we'll see you next week.